Hey there, how's it going? I want to show you the new Chrome extension I made. And the idea is with this Chrome extension, it's discovering whether somebody is using server-side Google Tag Manager or not. Have a look here. If we go to Auto Trader, for example, and we click the Chrome extension, what it'll do is it'll refresh the page. And it says no. So they're not using server-side tagging. See, it just appears there. We can test whether it's actually true. What it's looking for is the GTM URL. So in this case, it's a regular GTM URL. Okay, now let's head over here to my website. I don't even have Google Tag Manager, so it says none. Let's go to CMO's website. Click the extension again. It says yes. So is it correct? If we go to the Network tab, click on GTM, and you can see here, sgtm.cmo.ahava.com. So this is routing to his server first and then going to Google's servers. So in this case, the server-side GTM detector is doing its job. It found that server-side is implemented on this page, and on this page it's not. Okay, super simple, but that's what it's designed for. Hopefully that's helpful. Okay, all you got to do is click the extension, and it will give you a result. There you go, with a little label here. Okay, have a good one. Let me know if you have any questions.